Some people don't just own pets, they raise them. They celebrate their birthdays, talk to them like family, worry about them like parents. And to some people, that seems strange. But psychology tells a very different story. Treating pets like children isn't about replacing something missing. It's about something deeply human. We're often told that loving animals too much means you're lonely, avoiding responsibility, or emotionally immature. But that judgment misses the point, because the bond people form with their pets is not random. It's rooted in attachment, empathy, and the way the human brain is wired to love. Here's the truth most people don't consider. Humans don't just bond with humans. We bond with beings who depend on us. Your brain doesn't categorize love by species. It responds to care, routine, responsibility, and emotional feedback. When a pet looks to you for safety, comfort, and consistency, the same neural pathways activate as they do in parent-child bonds. This isn't weakness, it's biology. Once you understand why the brain does this, everything starts to make sense. Let's slow this down. Reason 1. Pets trigger nurturing instincts: feeding, protecting, caring. These behaviors activate oxytocin, the bonding hormone, the same chemical involved in parental attachment. Your brain doesn't say, "This is just an animal." It says, "This life depends on you." Reason 2. Pets offer safe attachment. Pets don't judge. They don't abandon. They don't compete. For people who've experienced emotional instability, pets provide secure attachment, predictable love, consistent presence. That kind of safety is powerful. Reason 3. Pets give purpose without pressure. Parenting humans comes with expectations. Pets come with presence. They don't care about your status, income, or mistakes. They just need you to show up. That simplicity creates meaning without overwhelm. Reason 4. Pets mirror emotional states. Animals are emotionally responsive. They sense stress, mood shifts, tone. People who treat pets like children often have high emotional sensitivity. They don't just love deeply, they feel deeply. Reason 5. Pets become family through ritual. Morning walks, feeding routines, bedtime habits. Ritual builds attachment. Over time, pets stop being companions and become family. Here's what people get wrong. They think loving a pet like a child means you're avoiding human connection. In reality, it often means you've learned how fragile love is and you protect it carefully. People who treat pets like their children tend to be highly empathetic, emotionally responsible, deeply loyal, comfortable with caregiving. They don't love lightly. They love intentionally. Loving a pet like a child doesn't mean something is missing. It means something is present. Care, connection, consistency. In a world that often feels detached, choosing to love something fully is not strange. It's human. And maybe it's one of the most honest forms of love there is.